Are you considering trying the Olaplex shampoo and conditioner? I started using this stuff about a year ago and I absolutely love it. It strengthens my hair so much that I can finally get it long to where I want to be. It lathers nicely and keeps my hair clean for days. I also love that it's not very scented. It's got a mild smell to it, but it's not overpowering. I'm super happy with the product. They make it super easy and they do a numbering system so you know what order to use it in. But this is the shampoo and the conditioner and number 4 and number 5. But the whole Olaplex system comes with like multi-numbers and different things. There's a hair mask you can do before and different steps, but they make it very easy to know which order to go in. But I absolutely love the product. It has strengthened my hair so much and has made, like, I love it. It keeps my hair clean for days and just so much stronger. And yeah, so if you are thinking about picking some up, I highly suggest.